Hey guys, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I've got two products that will be in your Yas May box. So one of them is kind of like a teaser and the other one is just a straight up, it shows you exactly what it is. And I'm going to talk about the products for a little bit because this is a voiceover. Instead of me getting on and filming, I could just do it like this. It's a little bit easier for me. And I could show y'all better pictures and stuff of the products. So anyways, we'll just go ahead and jump right in. Now this again is going to be for the May Yes Oh Yes box. And guys, I do have a discount code for you guys. It is 10% off of your first subscription. And there is a link, and also my code is below. My code is SelfTaught and that's all caps. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the teaser that they put up first. Now this was on their Instagram at Yes Oh Yes, and it shows a picture of 7 different eye brushes and asks which one you're going to be getting. So either there's only, which I know there's only going to be one brush in everybody's box, and I know that kind of sucks, but it's still a good price for the box and everything that you get in there. And I'll tell you a little bit more about Yes Oh Yes at the end of the video. But first, I'm going to show you what they put up. Now, this is the picture of the 7 eye brushes. Now, I'll go over each brush. And you know what? A couple of these kind of look the same to me. But the first brush is the 961 eyeliner brush. Now, this one, I've got so many of them. But you know what? I always use these things. And it never hurts having another one. Now, the next brush is the 908 Tapered Angle Shader Brush. The next one is the 912 Lip Brush, and this one kind of looks like it's got a clear handle on it, which is kind of cool. And I don't ever use lip brushes, but I would use this for a lid brush to pack on the shade or pack on a shimmer shade. The next brush is a 958 Brow Filler. Now this is another angled brush, and it looks perfect to just put fine hairs in your brows, and it makes them look real. I love using these brushes for that. Now the next one is the 959 Angled Eyeliner. That again is something that I always use. The next one is the 957 Firm Definer brush, and I would use this for a lower lash line. And then the last one is the 905 Small Fluff, and this to me looks like a lid brush to me. Again, something I would pack shimmer onto the lid. Now, the brushes are made by the brand, I think it's called like Sormay or Sorm. I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce that, but they look like little really good brushes. I have never tried any brushes from them, but these brushes actually look really good, so I was happy about that. Now I'm going to go ahead and tell you about the next product, and this is where the exciting part is. This is the palette. You know there's usually always a palette in every month of Yes Oh Yes. This is the Beauty Creations Seduce Me palette. Now this palette is worth $14.99, and if you see this, it looks absolutely gorgeous. To me, it looks like it's got warm and neutrals in it. So, you know what? I really love palettes like this. And I see a transition shade. I see darker shades. And I see that black in there. I love when a palette has a black in it. A good matte black. I absolutely love it. Now, it looks to me like it's got 9 shimmers and 9 mattes. So, it is an 18 pan. And again, I mean, I just love these warm neutral colors. It's got a lot of wine shades in it, and I love the bronzy shades in there, and it's got that beautiful pop of silver and that beautiful gold, and that looks like a really true gold. I mean, it really looks like it's right up my alley. This is a palette that I would be grabbing at every day, especially if the formula is good. Now, I've tried beauty creation palettes, but I truly think that their eyeshadow formulas are really amazing. At least the ones that I've tried so far. And this palette don't look any different. And, you know, I'm excited to see how black that matte black is in that. Again, it looks like it's got 9 and 9. 9 shimmers, 9 mattes, and just a beautiful all-around palette. You know, there's the transition shade, there's the darker shades, there's the lid shades, it's just an all-in-one palette, and I really do like that. And again, I do have a 10% off discount code for you guys. Again, it is SelfTaught Beauty in all caps. That will save you 10% off of your first subscription box. And I do make a small commission off of it, but guys, trust me, it's really not even enough to go through the line at McDonald's. But you guys get a discount and I get a little commission, so I feel like it's a win-win for both of us. Now, if you haven't heard of Yes Oh Yes and you want to check them out or whatever, they will be linked below. Yes Oh Yes is a monthly beauty subscription, and this box is $14.99. And in the box, you'll get 3 to 7 full-sized products. And the box is going to be worth over $75. And this is a really good box. If you want to go watch unboxings or anything on it, it really is. Now, they also are going to be doing an upgrade, and it's going to be called YOY Plus. Now, whenever we get the news of when they'll be doing this and when you can check it out and purchase it, I will be updating you and letting you guys know. Make sure you hit your bell. Make sure you're notified. That way you can see the spoilers as soon as I get them out. And please make sure to subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit that like button down there. It lets YouTube know that you're enjoying my videos. And I will see you guys in the next one.